Luther.
I'm reading a heat bloom, Benji. The engines are starting.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
But I can't do anything until I'm connected to the satellite.
Benji, you're connected.
Okay, great.
The packet is still on that plane.
Check down the fuel pump.
Mechanicals are locked out.
What about the electrical system?
Oh, that might work.
No. Hydraulics.
Okay, stand by. No, they're encrypted.
Benji, the plane!
Yes, the package is on the plane. We get it. Can you open the door?
Ethan?
Where are you? I'm by the plane. Benji, can you open the door?
Can I open the door? Maybe.
Open the door when I tell you! I'm on the plane! Open the door! How'd you get in the plane? Not in the plane! I'm on the plane! Open the door! Benji, open the door!
Yeah, okay.
Benji, open that door right now!
Yeah, I'm trying.
Come on, Benji.
Benji, open that door!
Come on. Come on.
Yes, got it. That's the wrong door!
Benji, not that door. The other door.
The other door, right, yes, the other door. Okay, oh, yes, sorry, my bad.